What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your phone number in PayPal. So it's pretty simple to change your phone number in PayPal. Just keep this in mind. When you change your phone number in PayPal, all those SMS which is sent to your previous phone number, now it's gonna be sent to the newer one which you changed into. Or for a simple term, the SMS is only gonna be sent to the primary number. So whichever new number is your primary number, PayPal is gonna give importance to that. So if you forget your password or if your account is hacked, then you need to have access to that number. So just keep that in mind, alright? Now before moving forward, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's jump into the video now, shall we? First step, you want to go to paypal.com, log in into your account. And then click on the setting looking icon over here. And it'll take you to the setting page of PayPal. Now once you're over here, scroll a bit down. And where it says phone number, you want to click on add new. So what you're going to do is after you click on add new, you're going to add a new phone number. After entering your phone number, you need to verify your phone number as well. After you add and verify your phone number, now you guys are going to have two phone numbers on your PayPal. Now once you guys have two phone numbers on your PayPal, you want to click on change and change your newly added phone number into the primary one. Now once you change your newly added phone number into the primary one, you can remove the older phone number which is over here. Now once you do that, you guys are gonna have one phone number left, which is the newer one which you just added and changed it into the primary one. And it's done. So yeah, that's how you guys can change your phone number in PayPal. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until next time everybody, bye bye and have a nice day.